Okay, we're good then. Okay, listen up, guys. This is called the wishing well, okay?
That's under a well?
Yeah,
No.
go down there.
You're not really under a well. It's just, that's just what it's called. I'm going to ask everybody to stay like outside of this circle here, so that the people who are going down there, they can get back out if they want to get back out, okay? Because sometimes people get down in it and they decide they don't want to do it, and they have to come back out again. You don't have to do this, okay? This is only if you really, really want to, except for you. Because you made it look so easy going through that other one. So I'm going to make you do this one. This is, it's got what we call a pinch. It's not really a pinch. It's an opening about this big, but it only lasts about this long. Okay? So it's not that far. Once you get past that, you belly crawl. It's maybe 2 feet high and 6 feet wide, maybe a little bit wider, and for about 20 feet. So it's not really that bad. And you go to the other side of this big hunk of rock here, where you can stand up in another passageway. And when you get into that passageway, you're going to make a left and go down till you see another passage coming in on the left-hand side, and you're going to wait there. Okay? Now, you don't have to do this. And if you just want to go look at it, you could do that. If you want to pretend that you did it and want me to take a picture of you just sticking out of it, we can do that too. And it just makes it look like you did it, even if you didn't do it, okay? Except for you, you have to do it. So, and if your buddy doesn't want to do it, you guys can swap buddies, okay? And there's an easy way to go. We're going to go that way for the easy people that want to do the easy part, but it's easier. Easier. You have to climb over some big rocks. Okay? Now, do you remember in that last room, I said that there was a passage down there, and it was behind this other rock here, belly crawl, to a big chimney. That chimney is right over here, up in this passage here. And that comes, you climb all the way up there, and then you climb out and come down here. Now, those of you that want to try it on the way back, we can do it in reverse. Okay? If you really want to, hey, I want to do it. All right? So, who wants to go first in this?
Me.
Oh, wow, you had your hand up first. Okay.
I did not see it. It's right there, but
Miguel.
yeah,
Okay, so call me
yes,
Miguel.
it did.
Your name's
You still down?
Miguel.
Yeah.
Hey, Miguel.
From Coco? I thought it was my job. It's Miguel.
Okay, we're going to take a look, see how you do that on this, okay?
First or feet first.
Oh my
Wait,
god.
how many people
How
have
you
gotten
expect
stuck
to
in it?
that?
How many people have gotten stuck in it?
Gotten stuck in it? Oh, there's nobody stuck in it now.
Oh, there behind that.
We got everybody out.
You have to do that?
Pretty good. Look at that.
What am I supposed to do?
Who's going where? Okay, wait till their feet are completely gone. Okay? Go right. Now, when you go in, please stay with your buddy. Okay, now her feet are gone. That's the toughest part right there. After that, it's just an easy belly crawl.
That don't look too easy.
I'm next. Don't even try.
There you go.
Back up. I'm lighter.
Army crawling?
Yeah, if you want to.
Can you hold this? Tell me if you can actually don't want that.
Oh, that's all my buddies.
Do it like that.
What?
No, not like the size.
Hold it.
You can do it.
Push it in front of you. Push it in front of you. That's the fun part.
Yeah, you have a lot of stuff.
Oh, you got the TV.
Okay.
I put it on the boat.
You guys are doing good. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Come on,
You
go.
want me to hold it?
That's me, hold it.
Okay. All right. It's up to
You want to
you.
go down that badly? I'm next. Oh my god, I haven't ready.
Well, I'm excited.
Okay. Don't go down yet. Wait. Give her a chance to get down in there.
Okay, no,
You got it, girl.
It's just that pokey thing. Watch out for that pokey.
How am I gonna get my
Break
GoPro
my
down here?
On my face. No,
Okay, so
That's crazy.
no, I gotta wait for like, yeah, I know, I'm like even go after.
I GoPro it.
See, now when you go back to school in September, you're gonna say that you went caving, and they're gonna think you went to like Crystal Cave
I'm going back.
with the paths.
No, I'm back in August. What you
In August? Okay, that's right, you guys
Well,
go
yeah,
back
that's
early.
September. You're going back to August?
And you'll have pictures to show. But no, this is a real cave, this wasn't one of those pretend caves.
Y'all go back in September and I gotta go back in August.
It's when you're I went in the wrong way.
I'm not doing
Am I supposed to?
There's a wrong way?
Go face first.
You put a little more on my face than I put on your face.
There we go.
August before September.
I don't do anything on you.
Oh, chat.
I didn't do it
There you go.
So it's her next, and then y'all
Just get it
two.
over with.
Okay, do that.
I don't care.
Bro, it's okay.
I don't care. What do you
You
mean?
push that in as well. I got 10.
Well, you guys are really good at this. Look at this.
Oh, I'm thinking you got the rope.
Nobody's checking it out yet.
I'll go.
No, he got the robot. Oh, so we don't need play 10.
Exactly.
Sure.
Why'd you even get this
Let
like?
me see if I
Like another version of Teddy.
Quick.
Yeah, as soon as her feet disappear.
Is Teddy coming this way?
He's
He's going
good.
that way.
You're a liar.
I'm
You're a liar.
Do you want to take Teddy under there?
Yes.
Okay,
Since the real Teddy wasn't able to come, we're gonna take him.
all right.
Yo, Teddy's gonna watch this and be like, wow, they really made it.
That's crazy. Stop clamping your hands.
Big lump of clay right there.
There he goes. And he's gone. Who's next?
Make it going through that look easy.
I know it looks tricky, don't it?
That was too far.
In the video,
That
it
was
was
too
tricky.
far.
It looked like they was fucking doing
You got
That was way too far.
Damn.
What?
So far. You got it all in your head.
really want to.
No, I didn't.
You don't want to do it? Okay, that's fine.
You good?
I'll hit the side of your thing.
Who's your buddy?
It was young.
He went. He already went in.
Okay, then somebody else has to take his spot. That's okay. That's okay.
You going?
Just let his buddy know that he's not going in, okay?
He didn't want to go.
You want that? You want Teddy?
Do not come down there with us.
All right.
Teddy,
You don't got a choice.
you don't got a choice.
You got Teddy? He's got Teddy.
That's messed up.
Bro, look at the back of my head.
Okay, can we get over there?
You're literally not going to take a shower in the car, either. Like, before the car.
Yeah.
Me? Okay, after. Like, me and him are the last two. You think they're there yet?
Yeah,
Can I go?
I can hear him.
Is it like
Yeah.
a big room, or are they all crawling?
They're crawling until they're in the walking passage.
The pool party. Hey, Mike, do you reckon we'll make about the pool party?
Yo, wait.
Don't do nothing.
Wait for me.
Take your time. Don't rush it. That's it.
Hey, stop.
Oh, wait.
Get out the feet. Why do I feel like you're rubbing it in?
I'm not trying to.
Does it help?
Yeah, a lot of it is.
A lot of it is.
Yeah.
There we go.
You know what? I'll actually go.
You gonna try it? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, so, what did I pick you?
Yeah.
Sorry, I was just trying to get them.
How'd you get so muddy so soon?
We can't. Well, look at the back of his head.
Jeez.
Yeah, you have to take a shit. You have to
You
leave
left us for 2 seconds. That's what happens.
You have to take all that mud off in here.
Bear in mind, we're the counsellors.
Come on, go.
Wasn't there a phrase in there about responsible adults?
I'm also a counselor.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not kidding.
Okay.
I'm just short.
He's going to be a
Yeah,
CRT soon.
we are kidding.
No, I'm just
Oh
short.
my
I'm
God.
shorter than most.
What?
Oh my god.
Home. How do you go through that thing?
We're going to figure it out.
One
buddy.
crawl at a time.
We're going to figure it out together.
Yo, if I get stuck right in there, bro,
You're
what
not
am I
gonna
gonna
get stuck.
Wait, did everyone do this?
We'll yank out. Yeah, everybody else went through it.
Really?
Oh,
We had a lot of people that didn't go through this last
yo,
time.
that's so tight.
Yeah.
It's not that tight.
Come on.
Even
Well,
even Captain Crunch can make it through there.
Oh.
like humans cannot go through that thing.
They all went through it.
But where do you put your hand?
You just crawl on the ground.
You're on your belly.
how you crawl in your building.
Hands and feet.
Yo.
Fingers and
One
toes.
second. I've got it, I promise. Just give me a second.
All right. You promise?
You want me to go first?
All right.
I can try.
It's tough. You got to be flat down on the ground.
God damn it. Oh my god, I thought I'm flexible.
Yeah, I'm not that flexible. Oh, nah.
Well, I can't do it.
Yo, you're stuck.
Yes,
Yeah, let me try.
I'm sure I did this last time.
You did. You have to get down on the ground. You're up in the air.
You gotta get your belly on the ground.
You have room. You have room
There
right
you go.
there.
All the way down. All the way down. You're still in the air.
I think they made it through.
Oh, nah. Heck nah.
But I was so hard.
I'm not making that out.
Hey, Lincoln. You're the man.
You got to go.
You're way more flexible than Google.
What way is it?
You go to the right and then crawl.
Where's to the right?
Where'd we go?
To the right and crawl.
To the right.
To the right.
Don't go down into the ditch.
Go down into the ditch.
Don't go down into the ditch.
Don't go down into the ditch.
To the right. To the right.
I'm pulling over. Just give me a second.
I'll go that way. You can see what the left side.
I was thinking taking down the catacombs next. They're all doing this.
I didn't do very well in the catacombs that day we came to the Boy Scouts.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
It was hot that day, and after 5 minutes I was exhausted. I didn't realize that it was all pulling yourself with your arms.
Yeah. That could be tiring. That's why I figure I'll do it first. Before I get
And
exhausted.
some of the kids go through it like it's boom.
Yeah.
Just
That's disgusting. I see headlamps.
I see lights.
Where? Where?
Hi.
Hello? Hi.
Alan, what's up, Alan?
Hey guys.
That's Tuba. Nothing. I was like, oh, it's Theodore. So I was like, is it
Alan's right there. Dogging. Wait, is it Googan or Dogging?
Doggin?
All right.
Wait, who was that?
Who's back there?
Person?
No, because that's not my
It's Old Man Mike, right? Oh, Old Man Mike. I want W Mike for making
No,
it.
because why did that actually feel like I'm saying that?
Yo, this is really fun.
Good. I enjoy it.
Alan's over here too. Use your brain.
I just want to make sure we have everybody before we go further.
Hold on. I need to go with my buddy Jackson.
Where's
Hey, why you over there?
Over here. You went down. You weren't supposed to.
I
didn't know you went through
the
Yeah, I didn't know. But how did you follow Sarah? I'm your buddy.
When you follow me, I'm the
Secret
buddy.
tunnel.
I didn't have to be there.
Bro, I'm not.
Okay, do we have everybody?
I think so.
No, that was the.
Let me get up here.
Everybody here. We need to blend this in. Buddy.
Let's see, guys. Let's see. Do we have everybody?
Oh my.
Yeah.
Lincoln was the last one.
What's that?
Lincoln was the last one.
Lincoln was the last one? Is Lincoln back there?
Yeah.
All right, so we got everybody.
Well, Mike.
I'm here.
Is that a big piece of clay?
It is.
You good?
Okay, guys, listen up for a second. I'm going to change the order of rooms that I usually do. The next one is we're going to try to do the catacombs.
So that sounds pretty.
What we do, listen up, because it can get very sketchy. Listen to how we're going to do this. We're going to go swinging back and around and up and through here. There's a hands and knees crawl to a hole in the floor about this big around. And we're going to climb down the hole about 5 or 6 feet. I'm going to spot you going down. Then we're going to go through a couple of small rooms till we get to a large room. We're going to gather together there, and then we're going to go into a long belly crawl. That's tight. Okay? So I just want to let you know that that's what we're going to do. If you don't want to do it and you can't do it, just let me know and we'll figure something else out. But it is a challenge. It's tough to do, but once you get it done, it's really cool. Okay, not many people do the catacombs. A lot of people are not good with that. Okay, so we're going to go this way. We're just going to walk around for a bit.
Oh wait, no, wait. I meant, I was stretching.
Oh, no, this.
Do I want to do it that way or this?
Wait, is this on my face? I swear. Probably is.
Where's another hole?
Because I saw an ice cream store on the way here.
That's really cute. Wasn't like asking really pitiful and stuff. Yeah, I was like,
Oh, I came to see your face. I like see that. I touched the hair.
Hey guys, take care of the person behind you.
Please comment, like, and share. It helps others find this video.